I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a...
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Mikayla Demaiter.
I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit.
Mikayla is not just an ice hockey player, she's also an Instagram model and a social media sensation. She has a substantial following on various social media platforms.
I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Mikayla was born on May 14, 2000, in Canada. She's 23 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Taurus.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why?
She's about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 53 kilograms.
To cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor.
Her estimated body measurements are 35, 24, 36 inches.
Just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Mikayla is also an amazing SportX influencer and ambassador, sharing her awesome modeling content through Instagram.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me...
So, what are your thoughts on Mikayla? Isn't she absolutely gorgeous?
Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
Society's a myth, put there to make you sit.